Flexibility is the future. Our world is constantly evolving. Our needs and aspirations are changing incessantly. All the spaces we live, work and play in must adapt accordingly. We believe our interiors must be multi-purpose and flexible to meet the new demands of our society. Algaflex is a pioneer in the design and production of movable partitions and walls. Market leaders for over 60 years, Algaflex is the only French manufacturer covering the full process from design to production. All our customers enjoy personalized treatment from the beginning to the end of their project. We work with you, ensuring your creative freedom with room for innovation. We are proud holders of the ISO 9001 certification, a demonstration of our commitment to quality and excellence. Our partnership with AIM ensures we provide first-rate BIM expertise to simplify coordination between all project participants and reduce costs and lead times. Algaflex's interiors are dynamic playgrounds with a harmonious combination between architectural innovation and creative freedom.